To be a successful rider, of course, you need to be very passionate and you need to be talented as well. You need to be surrounded by a good team. When you have injuries or crash, it's easy to, mentally to go down. The attitude needs to be positive and you have to look one step further. To stay successful, you need to always push the boundaries. You always look beyond, always the next thing. You never know, and sometimes you may surprise yourself. My name is Dani Pedrosa, and I never stop.